This is the W11 smartwatch, but I'm not showing it to you. Got your attention? Are you here? Check this out. Look at this. Look at this design. This is a really unique smartwatch. When you twist your wrist to light it up, you got full bright screen at a 21.6 degree angle, so you don't have to twist your wrist too far to try to see it. It's solid stainless steel case here, not just a little flimsy thing. This is like inserted into a massive case. When you look at the bottom, we'll get to that, you'll see what it looks like inside. Let's play with it a bit. You come down, you got all kinds of controls, brightness, a flashlight, do not disturb, and on and on. You got all different kind of settings. When you come across, you got step count, calories burned, distance traveled. You've got heart rate, immediately switches on and starts a green diode to pick that up for you. Last night's sleep time, with more information in the app when you transfer it over. You got weather in your area, current conditions, and you also can come right back to the watch face itself. When you swipe up, if you have anything pushed from the phone, it'll show up here. What about buttons? Did you see it sneaking out over there? There's one button. I can push that, push it again, turn it on and off, and if I slide over here, I've got all of my different apps. This is all your running, walking, cycling, skipping, you know, all the typical activities you can do. Heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, you name it, breath training, your weather in your area, music player controls on here, more things that include a stopwatch and timer, and there's the flashlight and your overall settings again that we already looked at, with a variety of different watch faces and downloadable ones as well. You can switch it to just about anything. It's got an amazing, like, really sharp edge definition around the outer bezel, a little black bezel that sets apart the watch on the inside. It's one of the few I've seen where having the bezel is actually really cool. Edge to edge would just be lost on this one. When you take it off now, and it's got a great little clasp, look at that. You just lift it out. Stainless steel band as well. You find the true beauty of this thing. It is a solid steel case. Look at that. The module of the watch itself just slips in here. But the case is hardened, strong, suited for breaking glass if you needed to with the edges on this thing. It is a worthy watch to wear on your arm. Again, it is the W11, and check it out.